Hey guys, I know we're about to get into some weird, different type of learning here coming up on Thursday, but I just want to touch base with you guys and say that we're going to make this work. We're going to figure this out. I don't have all of the answers for you yet about how this will work, but I will start figuring that out tomorrow as we begin to work on this new type of learning and teaching. So I just want to check in with you guys, tell y'all to hang tight. I will keep in touch with you, look for new announcements, new posts on our Google Classroom. And we're going to get through this. I hope you guys are doing well. I hope you guys are staying healthy and keeping yourselves entertained while you're stuck inside and away from other people. But um, we're going to get through this together, guys. We're going to work through this and we're going to do the best we can, have as much fun as we can uh, from our own homes. So hang in there, guys. I'll talk to you guys on again later this week and see you for whatever our new classes are going to look like on Thursday and Friday. Have a good rest of your weekend, everyone, and enjoy the last few days of spring break.